I guess we'll go back to this. So this is $85,000 from someone on the outside looking in for the bunk bed for the two girls them, and a single bed for the younger one. What's his name again? Kavar. So this is 85,000. Just check that for me, please. Hold that so she can't cut that thing properly. Okay.
Thank God, yeah. Most time I don't look the trail.
Yeah, I know you're gonna feel down at times, you know. You know you're gonna feel down. Because it's just you alone live around there, right?
My father.
And your father. Oh, you can explain to me about your father already, right? So it's like you alone.
Yes, me and God.
You and God. Because you know God now leave your side. So I have a donation for you, you know, $18,000 from Pam. It's Pam from Toronto. So her name is Pam from Toronto, sent $18,000. And you can manage to count it or you want someone to count it for you? Look, come count it. I mean, look, count it for you. And you just put in her hand. Look at us, bend down a little bit.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Angela, it's been a while.
Good evening, yeah.
Long time.
Long time.
And I've been trying to contact, what's his name, Monica.
Monica?
Yeah.
I think she's over there now.
But the phone not working.
Oh.
And maybe she gave me 2 numbers, and I've been trying to get them both numbers, and I couldn't.
Gonna come with me?
Yeah.
I'm going to go back to the yard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come here, try. So after come down, I get through to Pauline, because I've been calling Pauline phone as well too.
Our daughter soon come.
Okay, so our daughter bring him come, right?
Yes.
So she gone already?
No man, she'll come.
Okay, she's coming back. So how is everything with you?
I'm good. Blessed, you know, I am blessed, thank God.
Yeah.
I am blessed.
I'm blessed. And Monica, is Monica alright as well?
Yeah, man, I think so.
Yeah, and the young boy, what's his name? Louis?
You know what the other side, you can make Monica, deal with that.
Oh, Monica. Oh, I didn't know more about him?
Yeah.
Okay. Because for a long time. Well, hopefully everything is alright then from that side, right? Okay. And you've been keeping up healthy and
through
thick.
God's grace. Yeah.
Through God's grace. Give thanks. Someone contact me, you know, them saw you on the video and they've been touched.
Yeah.
You know. And for some reason you remind them of someone. I don't remember if it's her family or someone, so you kinda touch her, so she kinda reach out to me now, you know, and send a donation for you.
Yeah, thank you.
So So that's why I was looking for you. I'm gonna dig up the whole of Roadstone and try to find you, you know, Jella.
Shout out to you for me.
Right, that's coming.
I'm Pauline daughter, so Jamaica go call, get money come.
Oh, no, because just to try to get through to you. So I was sure me have Monica number, I also have Pauline number, so I'm try Monica first, but I couldn't get through to Monica.
Get through me.
Yeah. So I'm get through to Pauline now to get through to you, and she said alright, she's not about, but she's gonna send someone for her. Right? So I have a donation for you, so I'm gonna make you count it. And when after you count it, you can just tell the donor thanks. You know, you can just give them a short speech if you want to, or you want to bless them. Right? So I'm glad you're health-wise, you're okay.
Thank God, yeah. One time I don't but the prayer, I got to keep me.
Yeah, you know you're gonna feel down at times, you know. You know you're gonna feel down. Because just you alone live around there, right?
My father.
And your father. Oh, you can explain to me about your father already, right? So it's like you alone.
Yes, me and God.
You and God. Because you know God now leave your side. So I have a donation for you. You know, $18,000 from Pam. It's Pam from Toronto. So her name is Pam from Toronto, sent $18,000. And you can manage to count it or you want someone to count it for you? Look, come count it. I mean, look, count it for you. And you put in her hand. Look at us. Bend down a little bit. Okay, it's $18,000 from Pam. So that's Pam from Toronto.
I want to tell you thanks, Pam, from Toronto. Blessings every time. Keep on doing what you're doing, and may the good grace of God go with you. Thank you to all donors also. May the grace of God go with you and keep be with you. Thank you very much, Pam.
Okay then, and God bless you. Pam, thank you so much, Pam, for the donation. You know, it's really a blessing. Thank you so much, you know, for considering Angela in your heart. You know, we thank you so much for supporting her. You know, it's really a blessing.
Blessings every time, Pam. Big up yourself.
Every time. So, yeah, my Angela, so hopefully we can get something else, you know. We never know. We give thanks same way. You never know. Whenever someone is contact me, you definitely hear from me again.
Yes, thank you, Kino.
You know, so like I can always contact Pauline if I can't get through to Monica.
Yes,
You know what I know. Yeah, so just keep looking after yourself, see if you keep smiling.
Thank you very much.
It's a blessings. Right, Pam, blessings and give thanks, Black Pam from Toronto, for the donation for Miss Angela. Alright, Angela?
Blessings every time.
Every time. Alright, then take your time, right?
Big up. Big up every time, yo.
Every time.
Team, dada. No more than team.
Them say dream team.
Team.
It's the only real team.
All the real team. Here, let me stand up. Get around the kitchen. You want the stove, huh?
Again?
On the stove.
Dana?
Again, on the
Cooking?
Yes.
In the kitchen? I have to cook. Wow. So it's not the team coming on Dana. So you know, so the team come on the right time, you know. So how much are we? How much are we there?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
More than 10, man.
10.
So you say you have enough? And somebody have to get left then? I don't know if you can get sat here, everyone. Where's she there?
That's right. So, banana.
So is everything though, Dana?
Alright.
You see, kind of come on
I
now.
come back.
Come on. So you get a chance
I
to.
just see pain in the head. At the night time it kill me, reference to come down to the neck.
Run on the neck. It's like a stinging pain.
Like something a joke.
Like something a joke. You don't feel tender like that though. Come see. So they get a chance to go and see the doctor. The medication.
Yeah, me get the medication.
Oh, we give. And we can see the difference now from the other day how it was looking. So it really do work.
Yeah.
Yeah, because a lot of people they call me and I say, could I even put nutmeg egg
Yeah, I'm using
in your mouth, keep it in your mouth.
Keep it in my mouth, man.
Yeah, them say must keep it in the right shoe, it will help it.
Keep it in.
Well, last
Like when
it.
I eat, we take it out.
Okay. Like no, you don't have it in, you should have
Yeah,
it in.
two me died a mango a while ago.
Okay.
Take it out.
Yeah, you must always have it in, man.
One of my sister catch it too, you know. And she tell me, say doctor said she will keep it nutmeg. So she said if you use the nutmeg, so for that me have it.
Eh? Okay. Oh, well.
And she go do the scan too.
She do the scan feed?
Yeah, she do the scan.
Them tell us the same thing?
Yeah.
When she catch that? Long time?
No, she said, somebody call her and tell her, say me the pan Kino program with it.
Oh.
So she said that time she do the scan and everything already long before me even catch it.
Oh, so something really a go on now then? Yeah, that them should have tell what we can do to prevent it.
That. After we do the scan and go back to the doctor now, we know what I can do.
I can do. And a lot of people say comment about it, them literally know about it. So it's like a something where I go around for a good look over.
Yeah, because Nana daughter a nurse overseas and she said every minute you see people come in with it. Because when Nana tell her about it, she said to Nana say for strokes or a Bella Posey, and Nana said she don't remember what name. So when she asked me now, me I tell her I said name Bella Posey.
Okay.
She said yeah, me know about it because it's over here enough.
The bed where the kids them have in there, which bed them have you? A double bed or a single bed?
KK have a double bed and Kabi have a single.
Let me see this size of. Because them make some little difficult size bed these days, you know. Oh yeah, that yeah. It have more light than this in here?
Oh, that doll. Light in her room still.
Oh, one double. And a single this. A single looks. Also correct. That single looks so small. I prefer kind of right single this man. That's what I said. Look.
A 3/4.
This should be like a 3/4.
3/4 this. Yeah.
Then there's a car, the single. No,
Double this. Let's go. So I do the double. Because basically somebody want to get a bunk bed and a single bed. Yes, I don't want it a bunk bed and a single bed. Because remember, I'm coming here to about the single bed. When I say this could never be the single, because this is too slim. And the bigger single bed than this.
Yeah, bigger single, but a single them call this.
Single and call, but a
3/4 single. And this are the. Yeah. So like how you fit in here, so you have a double and a single. For the two of them room with the girl, it could work. But it's better we use like bunk bed for the two versions. Better for them. Because the space and everything. So we're gonna work with the bunk bed. Then Dana. So we get a donor already. Who's gonna support that? Bunk bed and single bed already. So you know we're gonna get your one sorted out as well too. So come go back out here. So I done ever cooking or one thing. I don't know how Dream Team can't come on time to get the food. Look at the pots, small again. It's can't share for the whole of it.
curry chicken bag.
Wow, chef national dish I cook. Wow. Curry chicken bag is Dana. Wow, chef want to hear that thing, so it's gonna work out and wash up the outside. Alright, banana and dumplings. Wow, chef.
Yes, man.
You know, so Dana cook your national dish.
Yes, man.
You don't smell it out there?
Smell it, man, you know?
Yeah. The wow chef just flying from New York, you know.
Yeah.
No.
Fine time, sir, man.
Yeah. You know?
Yes, man, you know?
Reality.
One dream, you know?
You know?
Yeah, man.
But we just get knocked
You know, come through yet, you know? Right.
Yeah.
That's it.
You know, come back and brother this man.
Come back. Come through the right way. Only for settings, man. Yeah, man. Leave my brother down, so, man. Yeah, man. Elephant man, them call me down there. You know?
Yes, yeah. So I'm leave Elephant Man down and bring up the wow chef.
Yeah, man. Leave my brother down, so, man. So that's it.
Yes, well, boy, I tell you, wow chef or something else. Natural born talent in TrenchTown.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, come S. So stand on some donation as well. So I got some donation towards. Alright, so this donation that I got, yeah, someone sent this donation towards your medical. Right, so it's a $6,000 from the Bailey family from USA. $6,000. This is towards your medical himself. So this is from the Bailey family.
Bailey family, big up yourself, you know. And thank you for this donation. And may God make your pocket never empty.
So we give thanks to the Bailey family from the USA for the donation towards Miss Dana. It does, but not sure I get rid of it. Hold on. So we have another donation as well too from this is who now? This is Church and Michelle. Yeah, so this is from Church and Michelle Dunbar from Arizona. So this coming from Church and Michelle Dunbar from Arizona. $13,000. So that's Church and Michelle Dunbar.
Church and Michelle Dunbar, thank you so much. May your pocket never empty. Thank you for the donation. Thank you for me, when we go doctor now we feel like better.
Yeah. Another donation as well too. This is towards the material. This is from GLT from New York. And this is $14,000 from GLT from New York. So from GLT from New York.
GLT from New York, thank you so much for the donation. Thank you. And may God make your pocket never empty. And I thank you to help me and hope you can help somebody else.
Yeah, very good. So that is from hold on, tell her from Esther, please. And that's from GLT, so we give thanks for the donation from GLT. Alright, that one there. So another donation as well to from so this is now is towards the material as well, and this is coming from someone on the outside looking in. Send a donation towards the material, and also this donor being a regular donor to the program, and which is someone on the outside looking in, which is known as Max mother. Yeah. You know, most donors know Max already on the program, so this is his mom who's been a regular donor. So this is 42,000 towards a material from someone on the outside looking in. Someone on the outside.
Someone on the outside. Thank you so much for this donation. Because you're not gonna make me live happy. That no. So we thank you, and may God make your pocket never empty. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so that's someone on the outside looking in, which is known as Max mommy.
Yes.
You know, most viewers probably remember Max when Max came to visit the Dream Team and he didn't want his face to be shown.
Yeah.
So which is Max mommy now is the same mommy who buy Willie Bob bed and his chestnut jar, same way. Someone on the outside looking in. So we give thanks every time for Max mommy for this donation. And also she's the donor that purchased the bunk bed and the single bed as well too. So this is a donation for the bunk bed and the single bed. Esther, all is similar. Alright, so you go all that. I guess we'll go back to this. So this is $85,000 from someone on the outside looking in for the bunk bed for the two girls them, and a single bed for the younger one. What's his name again? Kabar. So this is 85,000. Just check that for me, please. Hold that so she can't cut that for me properly. Okay, so that's Max mommy. Someone,
Max mommy.
Yeah, someone.
Thank you so much for the bed them for my kids, and I thank you. And may God make your pocket never empty. Always pray for you, and I know God will guide you and protect you through this pandemic.
Yeah, and it's really a blessing, you know.
Yeah.
It's really a blessing. So we give thanks to Max mommy. You know, that looking out, so at least we got some weight off the shoulder for the beds, for the kids them. So you know, we're gonna try to get a bed for you as well too.
Yes.
And which you to know that our blessings will be out there. Same Father God, the same one to purchase a bed for you as well too.
Yes.
So at the meantime, we're trying to focus on finishing the project. You know, and as we said the other day, we put out the price, and we get response, and we give thanks. You know, we give thanks.
God never sleep.
He never sleep.
He never slumber. Always up.
Yeah, so that's why I say no matter the ups and the downs sometime in life, you have to jump that early. You know, there's always obstacles same way in life.
Always have to get a downfall, but you have to rise.
You have to rise.
My friend God in the midst, have to rise.
Have to rise. And in the time of these times when you know things outside tough, people still have made the effort same to reach out. You know, and that's more than a blessing for people reaching out same way. You know, because the economy is down, you know, people is losing in many different ways. Who's losing job, who's losing everything, so, and they still make an effort.
Yeah, man.
So there's a way in life where you know we have patience.
Yeah.
And we just have what it all say, make God good.
You have to have faith.
You have to have faith.
But you have faith in God. Move mountain.
So if there a donor out there wanna sponsor Dana bed, you know, for one time she's ready for moving, you know, cause we got someone on the outside which is Max mommy purchase a bunk bed and a single bed for the kids them already, so we got that part out the way. So the next part now is to get Miss Donna, our queen or our king size. No, she live like a queen. You have to live like a queen, so she can need a bed, you know. So prayers out, we will definitely get sorted out. Right? So anything else you want to say to your donors then before we leave, Donna?
Well, thank all the donors who are supporting me And I thank you for everything that you're doing for me and doing for others. God never give up on the helping ones. And when you help, God helps you back. God is going to provide every day for you and never stay without money.
So we give thanks. So we say blessings to our donors that reached out to Dana from then until now, you know.
Yeah.
Give thanks for the support, because sometimes only thoughts that count, and no matter how small the penny is, from where I can come together and help out each other, we can definitely make it work.
Yes.
So when there's guidance out there, you know, to our donors them, you know, just keep on the heads high, see them, you keep the prayers out for us, because the prayers is needed more than anything else. I will give thanks. So we say, dream team!
One team!
Oh, them there, them asleep. Catch them by half guard. Rasta the pan, remember the pan. Oh, and Jason! Rasta Jack them almost cry. And boom, still have to laugh. You know, and bombing bar still a bomb. Mother Teresa, no.
I don't know.
We still a say, wow, see me.
Wow, from the
Over the ice.
The ice still a drip.
The ice not made right now, catch me just flying, you know.
Yeah. Need to go town. Go town.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.